project is progressing really well. It's well underway now. So we've got hundreds and hundreds of fish made primarily in our studio, from our studio in North Shields. And now we're here in Berwick, and it's a real milestone to be here to work with the staff and members of the public and the community to meet everybody, tell them more about the project, and this is where they get the chance to make their own fish. I mean, we think it's absolutely vital that communities have a voice and they are part of making public art. It is something that is shared. It's something that really chimes into people's identity and their connection to a place. So it's really important for us that we do the work with people, and that they are part of making the work.
It's a really big thing to be able to put like your mark in the new hospital as well, and have it like, it's like having a little piece of you in the hospital. I think it's nice. Because it's all part of the NHS recycled plastic, it's like you're bringing all our work together to make something really pretty.
I wanted to come along today to bring the grandchildren and be part of this wonderful installation that's going to be in the entrance to the new hospital. I think artwork's lovely for the hospital because it'll make this lovely, colourful, bright environment, take your mind off the fact that here we are in a hospital. And the salmon that we are making today is very good for the town of Berwick, you know, it deals with Berwick, and look up to that as an atrium and think, wow, how many people from the town of Berwick have made these, and makes us feel part of it.
The highlights from the public that I've found so far is like, it's been really lovely to get a wide variety of ages. So we had a family in a few moments ago where it was kind of 3 generations of their family came in and made fish. So I think it's a really nice little story that they're going to be able to kind of be able to visit the installation when it's up there and know that all 3 generations within that family have kind of helped create the piece. So it's kind of stories like that that make it worthwhile for me, really. I think one of the highlights as well for me has been seeing the colours that people have chosen throughout the process. It really gives an insight into kind of what their interests are. So we've had a lot of kind of colours of fish that have been reflective of the football teams that people support, or the favourite colours that they wear. And because of the nature of the process, where our fish that we're creating within the studio, by the very nature of how many we need to produce, are quite standardised in that regard, having the kind of the wide colour palette that the community are producing for us will offer a lot more kind of variation within the finished installation itself.
The next stage of the project is really us finalising making the fish, and then it will be finalising the design on how that's going to hang in the space, so it will look really, really beautiful and effective. The map of the installation is going to follow the River Tweed, so it's really just finalising that sort of system, and then we're all set for installation, really looking forward to that.